Introducing the Tuf Skim Gypsum Patch, your go-to solution for quick, reliable floor repairs. This versatile repair patch boasts a fine finish edge, making it perfect for a wide range of applications, including floor patching and fine finish touch-ups. What sets our Tuf Skim patch apart is its lightning-fast setting time, allowing you to install flooring in just 30 minutes. Additionally, it's UL classified for use in over 135 fire-rated assemblies, ensuring you both safety and performance. This product is specifically designed to bond seamlessly to gypsum-based underlaminates, though it can be effectively used over wood and concrete subfloors as well. It offers a feather edge finish for large areas and can be applied into any thickness and define areas like thresholds and depressions. Each 25-pound bag provides ample coverage, approximately 48 square feet at 8-inch thickness or 96 square feet at 16th-inch thickness. Elevate your flooring repair game with Gypsum Patch, the ideal choice for fast, hassle-free, and professional results. Perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and flooring professionals.